Hello, thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial on the step up. You're probably thinking, why in the world do I need a tutorial on the step up? Well, you'd be amazed how many people have a very difficult time with this movement and with this action. So hopefully I can help clarify that for you. You're going to stand sideways to an object that is a decent height step. If it's too low, it is difficult to feel the action in the leg on top of the step. If it's too high, your pelvis will be all, and we don't want that. So pick the right size for you. You're going to stand sideways to it. You're going to take your right foot on top of the step, or left foot, doesn't matter. I'm demonstrating on my right side, so I am here. Now, the first thing you want to do is start to generate force down with your right foot. If your torso is way back here and you try to push down with your right foot, it's not going to go so well. So from the front, if I am here and I try to push down, there's not a lot of leverage. I've got to come forward a little bit and start to push down through the foot, right? So again, slight lean forward, push down towards the foot. Center mass comes forward a little bit. This works a lot better. From the pelvis perspective, when I begin pushing down with my, in this case, right foot, my pelvis should pull back and move down a little bit because of the action that my foot is doing. My foot is also pushing down and pulling back a little bit because that's what will let me start to transfer weight and come up. If my foot does not have good contact with the step and I can't press through the center of my heel, the big toe, ball of the foot, and the pinky toe ball of the foot, this doesn't go so well. So you need to have strong connection with this imaginary triangular platform of your foot. So let's come back to this idea. Find this triangular platform of your foot, start pressing down. The arch does not collapse into whatever item you're stepping into, and the big toe continues to press down. Now watch my pelvis. You see it looks like it's going nowhere. What it's not doing is this. It's also not doing that. It is staying in this imaginary stationary position. In reality, it feels like it is pulling back and going down a little bit so that I can transfer up and over. From the front, you are here. When you push down, my pelvis is not doing this. It is moving that way, and that way, so that I can do this and not fall over. All right? So go ahead and give that a try. Think about those things. Platform of your foot, triangular platform of your foot, pushing down. How does that force travel up your leg and affect your pelvis? Where is your pelvis position? When you step up, does your hip sink out to the side? Does it sink too far down? This isn't good either. Or does it stay in what looks like neutral? It's not neutral. There are these little rotationary things happening. From the back, I am here when I come up. I'm not here. I'm not here. Wah! Right? I am there. If I want to add the arm component, it would look like this. If I were climbing a stair and I were trying to go fast, I would use contralateral movement. That means that when the leg swings forward, the opposite arm swings forward and the opposite arm swings back. So I'd be in this coiled position and come up. From the front, opposite arms forward, same side arms back. I would be here. Breathing for good measure. Don't have to do that, though it will help you get the rotation action through your thoracic spine. Oh my goodness, you did not know a step could be so complicated. Anyway, if you have any questions on any of that, Give it a try, see how it goes. Feel free to reach out. All right? Thank you.